The summit, which is expected to come up with policy and recommendations on national policy on justice, kick-started on Thursday with a gala night, while participants made exhaustive deliberations Friday on gender-based violations after presentations of papers by various experts. Participants rubbed minds on the increasing rate of violence and exploitation of women and children below the ages of 13 years in the society. Participants observed with dismay the refusal of victims to report culprits to the police or relevant authority for prosecution to serve as deterrent to others. They condemn in strong terms the inability of parents or guardians to pursue cases of gender-based violence in court to hold culprits accountable for their actions. Barrister Yusuf Akiringwe is the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Taraba State.
It becomes dangerous for the prosecutor because it will be looked as if the prosecutor is doing what he wants and not what the society himself. So we want a situation whereby the society should come out totally and condemn these things, so that by the time you as a prosecutor you are prosecuting, you feel safe even in the society.
Other speakers at the summit suggested the need to train police prosecutors on gender-based violence, while judges and magistrates should support delivery of such cases by passing judgment on those found guilty. Participants suggested the review of existing laws and more efforts to build capacity of key holders in the sector. They also advocated for the provision of technical support to institutions of social justice, establishment of family courts in the various courts, and the need for victims to seek redress in courts. Mr. Godwin Odo is a resource person from the British Council.
So there has to be sensitization of the general public to know what the implications are, to be able to report at any point in time that it happens. Police needs to be trained to be able to handle and investigate those cases appropriately. Prosecutors need to know what they should do in terms of prosecuting those cases. And of course, judges and magistrates also have a role to play.
Mr. Odo equally disclosed that the British Council will partner with the state government to establish referral centers for gender-based violence in the state and provide medical and counseling services to the victims.
We have made a commitment that with partnership with the state government, we are going to ensure that capacity is built for the establishment of a sexual assault referral center in Adamawa State.
Nuhu Maunde, 26 News.